Okay, for those of you who have hosted a class with me in the past, whether in person or virtually, know that hosting your own class is an amazing opportunity to gather friends together to learn new tips and tricks and recipes using your Bon Cook and introducing your Bon Cook to your friends and family. All of that's exciting. But did you also know that you earn a ton of free stuff? Did you also know that we recently did a survey with all of our hosts, and 100% of our hosts said that they would encourage their friends to host a Bon Cook class? 100%. That means we must be doing something right. Did you also know, with all the hosts that I had in here in July, commented that our products are getting to them faster than any other company? So that's exciting. So lots of great reasons to host a class with us. Then, of course, you have me. I'm going to teach you and your friends the most important tips and tricks to using their products. And I can guarantee it's going to be a ton of fun. So then, how do we do those classes? Well, right now, most of my classes are still happening virtually, right here from my kitchen. You don't have to do anything. I'll walk you through the whole process. You just invite your friends. But a few people have had me come and do outside classes, and all of that is up to what you're comfortable with and what your county allows. But if you are able to and interested in doing a backyard cooking class, reach out. I would be happy to talk about that with you. Bottom line is, we always have some amazing rewards that we pass on to our hosts, because without our hosts, we don't have a business. And so this month, as we celebrate our 3rd birthday, we have some bonus rewards for all of you. So when you get to the Bon Pro level, you're going to get the trio of salts. That's in addition to the $90 in free product that you've already earned, okay? When you get to the Bon VIP level, you're going to get a set of heart cutters, my favorite La Petite grater, and a scraper. That's in addition to your $120 in free product and free mold or tray of choice. You decide. And then when you get to our Bon Elite level, which I've got to tell you, majority of my hosts are getting to that Bon Elite level, you guys. It's so awesome. When you get there, you have over $240 of product to choose from, plus mold or tray of choice, $62.90 value for free. So that's already over $300 value. Plus, you get half off items when your friends book classes. That's exciting. But this month, you also are going to get some new Bon mats, an octagonal Bon mat, a medium Bon mat, and a large Bon mat. So, not only is it a ton of fun, it's a great way to connect with people, and you're going to get a ton of free stuff. Reach out and let's look at what dates might work for you in August.